Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install fog lights on your Ram HD trucks. See, there is none factory, or it should be up there in that corner, but there isn't any. So what we're going to install is morimoto, one morimoto, size and fit based on my research, light output 4 banners. That's what I decided to do. Unfortunately, there is no kit that you can actually, cut a hole, put it in a factory brackets that behind the bumper. Probably better option. We're going to install it up there. To install it up there, the kit comes with everything. It comes with these bracket bolts, so everything that you can attach to whatever, bumper, hood, roof, whatever you want it. It comes with a standard connector. Now I'm not sure what's the name of it. So, but you need to install it there, you need the bracket. So this is the bracket. This bracket I actually set of 2. I already made a bigger hole for my own bolts. Actually, this set of bracket comes with hardware. You don't have to drill anything out. It comes with a stainless steel hardware, more than just the one set. There's enough to whatever you can make it. So this is the bracket. I'm gonna show you, but for 4 bands, actually this bracket is designed for Super Duty, and I'm using thicker bolts because I have thicker bolts, so I made a hole. So I'm gonna modify it actually for something else, even different design, kind of. So what I did, slightly made it bigger, trimmed it here. You don't have to trim it. It depends on your configuration fog lights, how you want to do it. I trimmed slightly because I'm going to be sliding on top instead of from the bottom. It's going to be sitting it. And this side is going to be against the bumper on the inside, and I will show you once it's all ready to install. Trim it, cut it. You can put a hole lower, then you can attach it from the bottom if you want it. You know what I mean? The possibilities are unlimited, so you can make it any way you want it. And maybe I will change my mind and put a hole here, trim it. We'll see. So we'll see how it goes. So far, this is the plan. So I'm gonna cut this one off, trim it, and go from there. Wire harness. It's a plug and play. Your negative, right there, the black one, and there's a red one targeted somewhere. The pigtail right there with a bolt that you connect to your switch. So let me show you something very cool. This is plug and play. Plug and play exactly directly into morimoto fog light. Right there. It's a direct plug and play. No cutting, no splicing. It's one of the best kits. And this kit, and you can get either additional hardware or it came with it. I don't recall. So one side is installed. I'm going to show you what's left is to mount a LED. Let's see if I can get my camera inside there to show you what it looks like. Right there. You see the clean install? Yep, it does not interfere. When you install in the bracket, just be careful with the tools. If you're holding the bolt or not from that side so you don't damage the condenser. Hole is existing. I'm not adding any holes up there. Right there, see that right there, big hole? Well, that's the same identical hole size and location of the hole up there, right there, you see. So from the front, it's such a clean install, designed for Ford, works for Ram. And of course, you know what I mean, I'm using morimoto, a different the brackets. You might have to slide it out in, you can and adjust it, play with it, see, maybe you have to trim it, some more stuff, but that's just the nature of the install. You don't have to fabricate. You already have something, you can trim it and work with it. So this is it. Looks very sharp. looks very clean, professional. There is no wires hanging or anything, you know. It's just perfect solution. Let me show you what it is with the wires. Right there, tucked in. There is holes, no drilling holes in the vehicle whatsoever, zero, absolutely zero. You have to trim those zip ties, especially with the special hooks. There's a hose up there. Let's see if I can get up closer. I think that's where maybe that's right there. See that thick hose? I'm running wires through it, and the reason why, because there is some points where it might get, you know, cut, or old heater core hoses, or use in some place I use something like that, you know, to that shield, that heat shield, plastic wrap, not plastic, to wrap it so it does not damage the wire, you know. So this is, oh yeah, looking sharp. It looks better than OEM, I would say. Plus, can't beat 4-banger, morimoto for the light output. Nothing is better. Plug there, ran it here. Ground is already was there, just, you know, connecting. There is no cut and splicing. And of course, anywhere where it might rub, I zip tied it. Where there is the hose, so I zip tied it there. So anywhere I could, here, so it's all zip tied, so it's not loose and wobbly. Same thing here. It's, you know, actually might put a zip tie here so it's more stable, so it doesn't lose, so it doesn't vibrate. Yeah, I'll put another zip tie here to make it nicer. So and it's tied to that right there, my auxiliary valve. That's it, simple, straightforward. Plus, having it the way it is, I showed you guys, I'm not blocking the airflow with the intercooler. But people put LED bars, but it's okay on gas, but even then you're still blocking the airflow. On diesel, it's a big no-no. When you block, that means your engine is going to run hotter. That means the system is going to dump more fuel to compensate, so it doesn't run hot, because now you have hotter air. It's not cooling off as faster. So having that blocked off this whole entire area does no good for a diesel engine. It only hurts. Having on the side, it does not interfere with anything. It does not block anything, and it looks good and it's functional. So, designed for Ford, works with Ram. No cutting, no drilling in the body. Splice the wires, few, plug and play. Depending which brand of fog lights you go, you might even have to do the work I did earlier. So it's just, you know, plug and play basically. Might be a few small modifications. So, thanks for watching. Drop in the comment sections what you guys think.